Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reconnect and repair or resync your controller back to your Xbox Series X. So I just have the Elite controller right here, and to do this, it's very easy. So I want to go to the front of my Xbox and locate the sync button. So here's my Xbox here, to the left of my TV. Now let's go ahead and zoom in. And right under the USB port will be the sync button. Then you also want to locate the sync button on the controller. So it'll be on the top right here. So we want to hold this button down for about 5 seconds. And then you want to hold down the sync button on the Xbox for about 5 seconds as well. So hold both these buttons down at the same time. So I'm going to turn on my controller. Now it's blinking. Let's hold down the sync button here. And then the sync button right here. And hold it on for about 5 seconds. And then let go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to go ahead and let go now. And the two lights should now be synced and not blinking anymore. Now if you do run into problems with that, grab a USB cable, plug it into the front of the Xbox, and then plug the other end into your controller. And this should connect the two very easily now. Then once it's connected, press the Xbox button. And once the light is a solid color, we should be able to just unplug this and then use the controller wirelessly now. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.